For complex welding tasks, stable positioning and coordinated welding are important. This is a robotic welding workstation built with the SZGH-HZ1500-B-6 welding robot, positioner, and torch cleaning station. The SZGH-HZ1500-B-6 is a hollow-type welding robot designed for welding applications. The positioner helps rotate and adjust the workpiece, allowing the robot to weld from different angles. Before welding, the workpiece is fixed on the positioner and the welding path is prepared. During operation, the robot and positioner work together to complete the welding process. This coordinated movement helps improve welding coverage, operation flexibility, and overall workstation efficiency. After welding, the robot moves to the torch cleaning station for torch maintenance. The torch cleaning station helps keep the welding torch in better working condition for repeated welding tasks. For different workpiece structures, welding processes, and production layouts, SZGH can provide customized robotic welding workstation solutions. Contact SZGH for robotic welding automation solutions.